So, what do you have here?
I am scrambling vegetables and soon to add eggs in bacon grease. And I'm making toast on the antique toast maker.
Ooh.
I've had this toast maker since the late 70s.
Wow. That looks good.
And my egg scrambling method is you put a couple of eggs in here with some milk and then you shake it up. We have scrambled eggs.
Yeah.
Mommy, look. Catapult. I mean, slingshot. Then.
And I made bacon.
Yeah. Nice bacon. Nice cooking. And toast. Yum. Can't wait to eat breakfast. Here's our breakfast cooking.
While Daddy was cooking, I found. Daddy said that it's a fossil.
Show me the bacon again.
Show you the bacon.
Yeah. I want to get all of 3 of them. And ta-da! Breakfast. Perfect.
It is an antique toast maker. I don't know if it's antique or not, but I've had it since the late 70s.